Did you know that every time you go online, your internet service provider, or ISP, can see virtually everything you do? From the websites you visit to the videos you stream, your digital life is an open book. But what if there was a way to make that book unreadable? In an age where data privacy is a luxury and cyber threats loom large, understanding how to protect your online presence isn't just smart, it's essential. Your personal information, financial data, and even your location are constantly at risk. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the core mechanics of how a VPN creates a secure, private tunnel for your data, but you'll also know why it's a critical tool for your digital freedom. The exposed internet, your digital footprint. Let's start by understanding what happens when you connect to the internet without a VPN. Your device sends requests directly to websites and services, and your ISP acts as the middleman, directing your traffic. Think of it like sending a postcard. Anyone handling it can read your message and see your return address. This direct connection means your IP address, your unique online identifier, is visible to every website you visit. It's like your home address for the internet, revealing your general geographic location, often down to your city or even neighborhood. This information is routinely logged and can be used for targeted advertising, content restrictions, or even more concerning, surveillance. VPN Basics, the secure tunnel. So, what exactly is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. At its core, a VPN creates a secure, encrypted tunnel between your device and a remote VPN server. Instead of connecting directly to the internet, your traffic first goes through this tunnel to the VPN server, which then forwards it to its final destination. Imagine you're sending a letter, but instead of a postcard, you put it in an opaque, locked box. You hand this box to a trusted courier, the VPN server, who then takes it to the post office and sends it on. Your ISP only sees encrypted data going to the VPN server, not the actual content or destination. This is the fundamental principle of VPN privacy. The encryption magic, scrambling your data. The locked box we just talked about is encryption. When you connect to a VPN, your data is immediately scrambled using complex algorithms. This process turns your readable information into an unreadable mess of characters, making it incomprehensible to anyone without the decryption key. Most reputable VPNs use industry-standard encryption protocols, with AES-256 being the gold standard. This is the same level of encryption used by governments and militaries worldwide. It's so strong that even with today's supercomputers, it would take billions of years to brute force crack a single AES-256 key. This encryption happens on your device before the data even leaves it, and it stays encrypted until it reaches the VPN server. This means your ISP, hackers on public Wi-Fi, or anyone else trying to snoop on your connection will only see a stream of meaningless, encrypted data. They can't see what websites you're visiting or what content you're accessing. The VPN server, your digital disguise. Once your encrypted data reaches the VPN server, it's decrypted and then forwarded to its intended destination on the internet. Crucially, when the data leaves the VPN server, it uses the server's IP address, not yours. This is how a VPN masks your actual location and identity. Mid-video rehook, here's where it gets really interesting. Not all VPN connections are created equal. We've seen how encryption protects your data, but the protocols behind that encryption are what truly define your VPN experience. Let's talk about the secret sauce that makes your secure tunnel fast, reliable, or ultra-private VPN protocols. This means websites and online services only see the VPN server's IP address, making it appear as if you're browsing from the server's location. Want to access content only available in Japan? Connect to a VPN server in Japan. It's a powerful tool for bypassing geo-restrictions and accessing a truly global internet. VPN protocols, the rules of the road. VPN protocols are the set of rules that determine how your data is encrypted and how the secure tunnel is established. Different protocols offer varying balances of speed, security, and reliability. Think of them as different types of vehicles for your data. Some are faster, some are more armored. OpenVPN, for example, is highly secure and versatile, supporting strong encryption, but can sometimes be slower due to its complexity. WireGuard, a newer protocol, is praised for its incredible speed and efficiency, often offering faster connection times and better performance, while still maintaining robust security. Then there's IKEv2/IPsec, known for its stability, especially when switching between networks, like moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Beyond privacy, other VPN benefits. While privacy is a primary driver, VPNs offer a host of other benefits. We touched on geo-unblocking, which lets you bypass regional content restrictions on streaming services or access websites unavailable in your country. This effectively expands your digital world. Another crucial benefit is security on public Wi-Fi networks. These networks, often found in cafes or airports, are notoriously insecure. A VPN encrypts your connection, protecting you from man-in-the-middle attacks where hackers try to intercept your data. This makes your online banking and sensitive activities safe, even in vulnerable environments. Choosing a VPN and potential downsides. With so many VPNs available, how do you choose? Look for providers with a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't record your online activities. Check for strong encryption like AES-256, a wide selection of server locations, and support for modern protocols like WireGuard. A kill switch feature, which automatically disconnects your internet if the VPN drops, is also a must-have for maximum protection. While VPNs are incredibly beneficial, they aren't without minor drawbacks. Routing your traffic through an extra server can sometimes lead to a slight decrease in internet speed, especially if you're connecting to a server very far away. However, with modern, high-quality VPN services and efficient protocols, this impact is often negligible for most users. Let's recap. Your online activity is exposed without a VPN, visible to ISPs and others. VPNs create an encrypted tunnel, scrambling your data with strong algorithms like AES-256. VPN servers mask your IP address, providing a new virtual location and bypassing geo-restrictions. Different VPN protocols like OpenVPN, WireGuard, and IKEv2 offer varying balances of speed and security. The key takeaways: always use a VPN, especially on public Wi-Fi, to protect your sensitive data. Choose a reputable VPN provider with a strict no-logs policy and strong encryption, AES-256. Experiment with different protocols like WireGuard for optimal speed and security. Utilize VPNs to access a truly global internet and bypass geo-restrictions safely. If you found this deep dive into VPNs valuable, hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss our next tech breakdown. Drop a comment below with your favorite VPN feature or any questions you have.